Want to take photos just by tapping the screen on your Canon camera? That's what touch shutter does, but many users don't know how to turn it on or off. It's actually very simple. You can turn it on or off right from the screen settings. In this video, I'll show you two methods on how to enable or disable the touch shutter feature on your Canon camera. So let's set it up right now. Solution 1. Using the touch screen. First, turn on your camera, then press the live view button. Now, look at the bottom left corner. Here you will see the touch shutter icon. It looks like a finger on a screen with a camera. Tap on it and your touch shutter is enabled. If you tap it again, it will be disabled. Method 2. Using the menu option. Turn on your camera, then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Here you can find the touch shutter option. Make sure to select this option. Then press the set button. Here you will get the two options, enable and disable. Select enable to enable or select disable to disable. And that's it. This is how you can enable or disable the touch shutter on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.